Today on Cloud3DPrint, we will be printing and assembling a caliper. We use our software Cloud3DPrint to create a project named Caliper. Upload the file for the project and place the parts onto the build plate. Configure slicing parameters and start slicing in the cloud. Carefully remove the parts from the printer bed and remove any adhesion or supports. Connect the two discs together like this, then insert the lower part of the caliper to the assembly. Place the top part of the caliper onto the assembly and screw the assembly to break off any fused unwanted material. The caliper is accurate and includes printed dimensions that are hard to see on camera. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to Cloud3DPrint to keep up to date with the latest news about our upcoming software.